First, choose a needle with an eye that's large enough to accommodate your thread. Hold the needle between your thumb and index finger, with the eye facing upward and the pointed end downward. Next, take the end of your thread and moisten it slightly with your fingers. This will help the fibers stick together, making it easier to thread through the needle's eye. Now, gently push the end of the thread through the eye of the needle. If you're having trouble, you can try folding the end of the thread to create a small loop, which can then be guided through the eye more easily. Once the thread is through the eye of the needle, pull it through until you have an equal length of thread on either side. Tie a small knot at the end of the thread to prevent it from slipping through the fabric as you sew. And there you have it, threading a needle for hand sewing made simple. With a little practice, you'll be threading needles like a pro in no time, ready to tackle all your sewing projects with confidence. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.